What is up, everybody? It is me, Jolabean, back for another video. Today we are going to play some PUBG Mobile. Now, I have not played this game in a while, and here's what happened. I signed in as a guest, and I tried signing into a social media account, and I lost all my progress. So I quit the game for a while, and I just re-downloaded it, and since it updated, I signed in with my email address, and look at this. I got all of my stuff. I got all of my inventory stuff. I got everything, especially this skin. This is my favorite gun. Like, I am so hyped to make this video. Let's not waste time. Let's go right at it. This is so awesome. No, I don't have the face cam on today because, you know, I'm using my hands, and it would make the camera unstable. So we're gonna see how well I do. Probably not too good, because I'm gonna be rusty. I'm gonna be really rusty. Let's see if it actually lets me join. There we go. All right, let's go. These, like, I have not played in maybe 6 months. Like, it's been a while, and I've heard that, like, this game is starting to get good, so that's kind of why I downloaded it. Oh, I'm on squads. I didn't even know that. Okay. Nice. Nice. What's this? What is that? I don't. Oh. Oh, okay. Cool, that's cool. Sweet. So, this guy's my teammate. That guy's my teammate, that guy's my teammate. Other guy is AFK. Well, this is the guy that's... Oh, never mind. He's here. Buddy. And the best part, you can throw some apples at people. Yay. Alright, where are we dropping, boys? Okay. I'm gonna go to my favorite spot, is right there. Right at that third house right there. And I go from that third house all the way down here to those houses. So I don't care where the rest of those guys are landing. I just want to land here. Well, there is a trick to do it. You'll land faster if you do it. Ooh, sparkly stuff. That's awesome. That looks freaking awesome. Alright, you go down like this. And it is... Well, this looks freaking awesome. That's pretty dope. Alright. So I land right at this house right here. Ooh, that's a nice parachute. I think that's season... I don't know, 10? But I have no idea. I haven't played this game in a very long time. Oh, look, even the buildings, like, are really good now. They look so good. But keep in mind, I'm still gonna be pretty good at the game, because I still have, like, I pretty much have muscle memory playing this game. Boy, but I wish this game worked with what's it called, controller. That'd be so much easier. I wonder if it does. I'll have to try that out. That'll be for another video. That'll be for the other parts I'm doing. I'm doing squads for this. Why is it not auto open? Oh, okay, there we go. 4x scope. Nice. Nice. Good answer. I like your cut, G.
I like your cut, G.
Alright. Oh, I'll be taking that. But this game has gotten so much better. Oh, there's my favorite gun. Yes, sir. And let's go ahead and equip the 4x scope. Oh, shoot, it doesn't... the thing is in the way. I don't want to equip. Okay, there we go. I don't want to hit the end record button. Oh. Oh, I hear shots. Okay, so are we doing good? God, even some things like I hear somebody. Somebody is here. I can hear somebody. Oh, I forgot to. Wow. Okay. Got him. Wow. I thought it was auto shoot. I'm so used to playing auto shoot games now because I've been playing frag recently. But holy god. This gun has so much recoil. Wow. Okay, that was like, that was weird. I was not expecting that. I'm like, whoa. Oh, I got a mini. I love this gun. And I hear somebody. I hear somebody. I just can't see them though. If you're asking, yes, I always play in third person. Oh. Okay, I just need to get stuff now. I need to put this scope on that. There we go. Okay. There we go. Oh yes, I got the best backpack. Extended mag. We are doing good. We're doing pretty good. Go ahead, reload. Oh, it's already reloaded. Nice, nice. Good answer. I'm so excited to play this game right now. This is so fun. Alright. Get up in here. Oh, Molotov. Thank you. I always use Molotov now. I'm sorry if this is making you dizzy. It's kind of making me dizzy. I'm not used to it. But it'll get... What? Oh. I guess I completed a mission of some sort. That's cool. Yeah, like I said, I've not played this game in a very long time. Quick draw. Okay. Alright. I like where I am. I like where I am. Let's pick up some of that stuff. More ammo for my sniper. Well, yeah, bolt action. Actually, I think it's semi-automatic, but the mini is actually pretty good. Oh, someone was already here. Probably just went to the very top floor and just went through here. It's the worst tactic. I'll probably only get one game in because I'm already 8 minutes in the video, and as you guys know, whoa, I did not mean to do that. Now everybody knows where I am. As you guys know, in the last video, my videos end early if I go too long, so I'm not going to bother going in there. But dang, this is awesome. I thought I turned the shadows off because this is going to poop up my game. Do I have 4x scope on this? Alright, let's put that crap on there. Alright, good stuff, good stuff. I heard goonshots. Let's go ahead and run this way. Like, I love this game so much. This is probably one of my favorite games. Look, it's even got like the roads and everything, like addresses. You never had that in the version that I played. Like this has gotten so good. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Thanks. Don't need any of this crap. Don't need that. And pick that up. Alright. Doing good. Doing good. I like where I'm at. Okay. when I was playing this when I was good at the game, I was like really good. Oh, there's a guy over there. Oh boy, he's lagging. We got one shot on him. But I hear gunshots over here. Yeah, I'm not gonna be as good playing, but there's a guy, he ran over there. But you know what, I'm not gonna engage because that would be stupid if I died early. But there's a vehicle over there, I kinda want that. Yeah, let's go ahead and get that. Okay, I have no idea what that is, but I'll happily take it. Okay, looks like he killed someone. Well, that's good for the team. That's good for the boys. There's a airdrop over there. Alright, I'm gonna go pick my boys up. I'll BRB. Alright, boys. What's poppin'? What's poppin', boys? Want to snag a little ride? Want to snag a little ride, boys? Or are you just gonna ignore me? I'm just gonna drive off if you don't. Alright.
Enemies ahead.
Okay, that's on you. I'll fine. I'll take your word for it. If there's enemies here, you better kill them with me. I don't see any enemies, buddy. I'm just gonna get in here. Yeah, I'll let you go in. Where's 2? He's over there. He's running away. Hey, buddy. Are you getting in? Oh, I hear somebody. Is that him? Where is he? I don't frickin' see him. What? Oh, he's right there. Oh, well, he took care of him. Okay. What the heck? That was... Okay, cool. That's great, buddy. Good job. Ready, buddy? You coming? Alright, I don't want the stuff, so you can go ahead and get it. I don't care. Alright, let's go, boys. Alright. And we're off. Pin a point on the map. I don't care where we go. Alright, fine. I'll do it myself. Actually, I know where to go. We'll just go over here. Well, that guy's driving, so I know where to go. But just to make sure. Okay. Alright. Driving over here. Just taking a good old drive. It's just a swell drive. Whee! Whee! It's like our little roller coaster. Whee! And we're going and we're going. Whee! We'll just meet up with this guy. Uh-oh.
Enemies ahead.
Where? Where? Let me kill him. Oh no. Oh, I see him. Ah, got his butt. Got him. Alright, boys, good job. Good job. Go heal him. And his buddy's gotta be somewhere around. I guess not. I guess not. What did you just throw? Oh, oh, I thought you threw like a grenade or something. I'm gonna go get that stuff. Stop shooting, buddy. Oh, I got a suppressor. Nice. I'll use that for my for my sniper rifle. But I don't really see anybody, so I think we're just vibing. Where'd it? Oh, he's right there. What the heck? Alright, guys, are we ready? Are you getting in?
Enemies ahead.
Where? That way. Alright, I'll take your word for it. I'll take your word for it. Pick up some stuff along the way. Hey! Huh? Hey, ain't nobody killing my friend. Get out of here. Ain't nobody killing my friend. I landed all those shots. That was awesome. Okay, let's drive backwards. Back it up. Oh, there's a care package over there. That's kind of far, though. Yeah, that's kind of far. Where is he? I'm gonna shoot his butt. Ah, headshot. I mean, that was an easy kill, but still, get wrecked. Okay. Nice, nice, good stuff. He's got an SKS, but I don't really want to use it. Hey! What's going on here? Nice shooting, boys. Nice shooting. Hey, hey, I hear more shooting. Nice, nice. I like your cut, G.
I like your cut, G.
Where you going? Oh, you playing Minecraft. Right, that guy's AFK, just leave him to die. Where's the zone closing in? Okay, so we're right there. What's that blue thing? I'm gonna go to that. Let's go to the shiny blue thing. I'm gonna pick up my boys.
Let's go.
If go where, buddy? Alright, I'm just gonna leave you guys there. And I'm gonna go here because I have no idea what the heck that is. Might as well just go check it out. Because you guys have a car, so
Marked a location.
you guys are fine. Oh, okay, what's this? Is this what I was... Reward? What the heck? What is this? What?
You've proven that you're an elite sniper.
Okay. Wow. Thank you very much. I certainly am an elite sniper. Cool. That's awesome. They added that in. Uh-oh. Boys are in trouble. What are you shooting at? What are you shooting at? Go crazy! Ah!
Go crazy! Ah! Go stupid! Ah!
Right, I'm gonna change. I'm gonna put that there. Oh, wait, no, I want that. Put that away. Oh! Wow, you guys make quick work! Dang, boys. You guys make quick frickin' work. Dang, we'll win this in no time. Hey, you wanna hit your... Oh! Okay, I'm just not gonna be in the car anymore. Because it feels like I'm just a stupid guy in the car waiting for the kids to get in. Nothing good, okay. So I got a holo, and then I got a 4 times. But I kinda want 2 times, maybe. Oh! Bye! You thought wrong. Are one of your buddies around? I don't think so. Looks like you were alone. But it looks like we're a pretty good sniper team though. Okay, alright. We're just sitting, sniping, I guess. That's that energy tower that I got like that reward from. That was pretty cool. But what's this? What is that? Oh, redeem.
Let's go.
Okay. Alright. Cool. Let's go to the car. While I'm driving. Come on, boys, we gotta go. We gotta go. Let's go here. Alright, number 2. Wanna hitch a ride in my van? It's not a van, but... Come on, buddy. There you go, buddy. Get in the car. Okay, finally. How long did that take? God. Now we're going. Keep an eye out, boys. While I drink this. What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you throwing grenades? You are stupid. You are stupid. You're just literally just stupid. Alright, we're ditching the car here. We don't need it anymore. Because there's 19 people left. Alright. And I am gonna win. That's that. I'm gonna win. Ooh, the DP, that's a good gun. But I'm gonna stay with my gun. I'm gonna put that there. And then equip that to that. Yeah, some good stuff. Alright, I still don't understand this. Oh, so there's different kinds of reward things that you can get. That's pretty freaking cool. Oh, okay. I didn't see that coming. Get in the building. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and bandage up. Oh, I can't. Okay. Let's just use this then. Alright, and we'll check out these. And what's this? Survive longer than 10 minutes. Drive a vehicle and stuff. Okay, so
Let's go.
that's like a reward station they can kind of get. That's pretty freaking cool if you ask me. Okay, just looking for people to kill. So there's 18 left, and I killed 4 people so far. That's pretty freaking good. I'm just kind of looking for people. If I can. Alright, so the middle would be there. So that's the middle. So I kind of just want to stick to it, but I want to stick to my buddies too. I hear gunshots. Get out of here! No siree! Skedaddle! That's right. I see more people. Wow, you're laggy. Cool, you just got yeeted.
Excellent work.
You absolutely just got yeeted. I see the tip of his gun. Yeah, you run back there. Oh, that's right, I just sniped you. Get wrecked. Where? Where? That way? I'll snipe them. I'll snipe their heads off. No, there's no good stuff. Okay. We'll snipe their heads off. I'm gonna do it. Well, he's sniping from up there. That's pretty good. What are you doing? Are you trying to shoot me? But he said people are over there, so I'm kind of suspicious. I guess not. Alright, boys. Let's stick together. Come on, two. What are you doing? Alright, we gotta stay low. We gotta look for people. Oh, there's a plane. Is it dropping anything? Well, over there, we can head towards that, but that's going to be a high traffic, so I say we're OP enough. Come on, 3. Come on, 2. Where's 2? Oh, 2's up there. Alright, I'm going to head up to him. Just going to look for people, though, because I don't know if I'm going to get shot at. Okay. Guys, if the video ends, if the video cuts out, I will make a second part and I'll just like attach it to this video. So if the video just randomly cuts out, I'll start introducing myself again and just be like, hey, the video cut out, sorry, and then just continue. So it'll be chill. I have a feeling there's people up there. But at the same time, you gotta be aware of all of your surroundings. Because... oh, I thought that was a person. Because you don't know if you're gonna get yeeted at any time. So you just gotta keep a lookout. Oh! Oh, okay, so you were heading for it the entire time. Maybe you just want to camp here. That's cool. Are there people over there? Yes, I see people over there. So, enemies ahead. There's enemies there.
Marked a location.
Oh, got one hit. Who's got the AWM? Or the AMW, whatever it's called. I'm trying to snipe this guy. This is so annoying. Alright, well I hear gunshots over here, so I'm gonna try to snipe. Well, those pretty far. Right, boys, so the video cut out, so we're just continuing now. And we're just sitting here waiting for these guys to come up. Because, you know they're here. We're just sitting waiting for them. There was guys over here, but it looked like there was only one guy. What are you doing? Cool. What did you... why are you throwing that? You're literally exposing our position. You're stupid. But I'm just looking for... oh! On the horizon. Got him! Go team. Oh. Don't snipe at us. Get out of here. Get all the way out of here. Get off the ground. Go home.
Let's go.
God. Alright, well there's 6 people left. But technically there's only 3, so there's 3 people left. We still gotta keep a low profile. Oh, they're over there.
Let's go.
What are you doing? Oh my god! 9 kills this game. Bro, I am unstoppable. Try me. Like, literally, just try me. I will finesse all of you. I don't even need this package, bro. I am just absolutely killing people left and right. But let's just go ahead. That was awesome. That was awesome, bro. Oh man, that was dope. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, share the video. That was awesome, bro. Oh my god, I wish I could play with you again, but the video is up. Subscribe, like the video, share the video, click that bell to get notified of my next videos, and until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. So, oh, there he is. There he is, I found him. No way! Oh my god! That was awesome! Oh my god, that's nice! That's nice! Yes!